Hello.
My name is Gautam and Steve. From 6th standard, we have done a project in our state as environment. We have done ocean.
Don't worry. Come on, tell me.
We have done mountain, waterfalls, then forest, village, and highway. Harvest farming, and then you can see animals like fishes. Middle waterfalls.
So very big environment you made. I can even see a lion in the
It's a real fish.
real fish.
Yeah.
You got real fish in there.
Yeah.
Where?
Real fish.
Oh yes. They got real fish.
How nice. It interacts with each other.
Fantastic. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Lovely. Medicinal plants. Is that what it says? Medicinal plants? Wow. Hello.
This is an Korean leaves for the digestion.
Okay.
And this is an tulsi for the normal cold. And this is the neem plant.
Neem plant, yeah.
We get a bad food, cure this in couple of seconds.
I think I'll put some neem plant in my leg. My leg is injured. Okay.
And this is an eucalyptus. This is used for normal cold. And this is a mint for the throat pain.
Throat pain, yeah.
And this is very useful insulin plant for the sugar diabetes.
Diabetes, yes. Sugar, yeah. Okay. Insulin plant. Okay.
So why going to hospital and taking
Everything is available, no, in nature. Very good. Thank you.
Yes. I'm going to explain about the hut. Kacha house is made of mud, wood, bamboo, clay and straw. They are temporary. They can be broken down and rebuilt easily. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. That's very nice. What is this? Pakka house.
My name is Akshay. I'm going to explain about the house. A Pakka house is very strong and it is made of cement, brick and mud. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. That's nice. And igloo. Wow, that's a nice igloo.
Second standard, I'm going to elaborate. Igloo is made of ice and Eskimos live in the igloo. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. See the igloo. Wow, that's a very nice igloo. Must photograph it. And what is this? A tent. Okay.
Welcome to our exhibition. My name is Mama Damatullah. I am studying in second standard. A tent is made up of all cloth. That's all I am going to talk. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Wow. That's okay. I'll just have a look at it. Wow, this is nice. Beautiful.
So we'll get current from this.
Wind, no? How is it spinning?
I gave battery connection.
Oh, you have battery connection there. Oh, lovely. Okay. Nice. Wind energy. Thank you. Whose is this one? Desert vegetation.
So anybody explain?
No, nobody's explained it. The place is deserted. It's deserted.
This is a desert. This is in Sahara desert. And
Okay.
these are the plants we find in desert. And this is a cactus. And some kind of fish. Some kind of plants. If you cut these plants, you find water. Because it stores water for itself to grow for a time.
Thank you very much.